Hi everyone! Are you ready for some sun, fun, and amazing places? Today, we're going to Miami. It's a fantastic city in Florida, USA. Miami is famous for its beautiful weather, blue ocean, and exciting culture. Let's explore what you can do and see there. Let's start with the beaches. Miami has many beautiful beaches, but the most famous one is South Beach. South Beach is a very popular place for tourists and local people. The sand is white and soft, and the ocean water is warm and blue. Here, you can relax on the sand, swim in the ocean, and watch people. South Beach is also famous for its colorful lifeguard houses. These small buildings are painted in bright colors and make great photos. In the morning or evening, you can take a nice walk along the water. It's a perfect place to start your day in Miami. Now, let's talk about some interesting areas in Miami. South Beach is not only famous for its beach, it's also known for its special buildings. These are called Art Deco buildings. Art Deco is an old architectural style. The buildings are colorful with beautiful shapes and decorations. When you walk on Ocean Drive, you can see many of these Art Deco hotels and restaurants. It feels like you are in another time. After exploring South Beach, go to Little Havana. Little Havana is a part of Miami with a lot of Cuban culture. When you walk on Calle Ocho, you can hear Cuban music in the air. People play dominoes in the park, and you can watch how cigars are made in small shops. The atmosphere is very lively and friendly. In Little Havana, you can see art murals, taste Cuban coffee, and learn about Cuban traditions. It's like being in Cuba, but you are still in Miami. Are you ready for some fun activities? Miami is a great city for shopping. There are big malls like Brickell City Center and Aventura Mall. Here, you can find many stores and brands. Shopping is a good activity if you want to take a break from the sun. But if you want to see something unique, visit Wynwood Walls. Wynwood Walls is an outdoor art museum. All around, you can see big, colorful paintings on the walls. These are called murals. Artists from all over the world come to paint here. It's very cool for taking photos, and you can see amazing street art. Walking through Wynwood is like being inside a painting. Miami is perfect for sports and outdoor activities too. You can jog or cycle along the beach. There are many paths where you can exercise and see the ocean at the same time. The weather in Miami is usually sunny and warm, so it's nice to be outside. If you like water sports, you can try paddleboarding or jet skiing in the ocean. It's fun and exciting. Many hotels have swimming pools, so you can swim and relax. For people who like golf, Miami has beautiful golf courses. You can play a game in the sunshine and enjoy the green views. There is always something active to do in Miami. Now, let's talk about food. Miami has delicious food, especially because it is close to Cuba and many other Latin countries. One famous food is the Cuban sandwich. This sandwich has pork, ham, cheese, and pickles. The bread is toasted, and the taste is amazing. You can find Cuban sandwiches in many restaurants and cafes. If you like seafood, try stone crab. Stone crab is a special type of crab you can eat in winter. The meat is sweet and fresh. Another famous food in Miami is key lime pie. This dessert is sweet and a little bit sour. It's made from small green limes, and it's very famous in Florida. For a healthy snack, try fresh fruit juice or a smoothie. The fruit in Miami is fresh and delicious, and a cold juice is perfect on a hot day. Let's recap what we learned about Miami. Miami offers beautiful beaches, especially South Beach. You can relax, swim, and enjoy the sun. There are interesting areas like Art Deco South Beach, with its colorful old buildings, and Little Havana, full of Cuban culture and music. For activities, don't miss Wynwood Walls for street art, and take time to go shopping in big malls. Miami is great for sports. You can jog, cycle, try water sports, or play golf. And of course, you must try the delicious food. Cuban sandwiches, seafood like stone crab, and sweet key lime pie are just a few of the tasty things you can eat. Here are some important tips for your trip to Miami. Always wear sunscreen because the sun is very strong. Drink water to stay cool and healthy. It's a good idea to have comfortable shoes for walking. Miami is a safe city, but like all big cities, keep your things safe and stay in busy areas. The people in Miami are friendly and helpful. If you need directions or help, just ask. And remember, Miami is a city where many people speak both English and Spanish, so you can practice your English and maybe learn some Spanish too. Let's remember the main points. Beaches: South Beach. Areas: Art Deco, Little Havana. Activities: Wynwood Walls, shopping. Sports: jogging, water sports. Food: Cuban sandwich, seafood, key lime pie. Miami is a city full of energy, color, and fun. There is something for everyone. Whether you want to relax on the beach, explore interesting neighborhoods, do sports, see art, or eat delicious food, Miami is perfect for you. Don't forget your camera, your sunglasses, and your smile. With a little planning, you can have an amazing trip in Miami. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this guide and want to learn more easy English about travel, please like and subscribe. We hope you have a wonderful time in Miami. See you next time.